The issue of Clean Up the World is one of those global initiatives which talks to the issue of the scourge of global pollution, mainly as a result of waste. Recent studies actually have shown that a lot of debris in the world's ocean come from inland countries like Swaziland, and a lot of this waste get carried away into some of the oceans as we speak here. In our case, the Indian Ocean in the east. And the African community, particularly the environment community, has actually chosen 2017 as a year where we are focusing on the theme of pollution and waste. So then it becomes very significant for us as a country that we are here at Msunduza today and doing the cleanup, as we are actually trying to encourage citizens, particularly citizens here at Msunduza, in terms of the issue of consciousness around our neighborhood, around our issues of pollution, and some of those issues that actually relate to human health actually across the world. So it becomes important therefore that we are here today with Naweli Kusasaletu, so that we can address some of these issues which we are trying to deal with here today. As a country, we've had a couple of initiatives. We started with a campaign which we called Hloba Swaziland, a campaign which I think was quite successful. We also started a campaign which we call Yebo 2022, Hloba Swaziland Yebo 2022. So all of these campaigns are trying to say we cannot stop trying to encourage people to keep their country and their neighborhood clean. But I think our challenge going forward would really be to try and sustain these initiatives by encouraging communities to take initiative, as we are seeing here today, so that people can start doing these initiatives without the municipalities, without the SEA, just on their own, so that they can begin to enforce even some of the legislations that are there to discourage people from littering, illegal dumping, and some of those actually problematic behaviors in our communities.